Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You open Garageband and start a new empty project. Choose a software instrument, drummer, or audio track so you can work without any external instruments. Set tempo, key, and time signature now so MIDI and loops align. Then create one track for drums and one for melodic parts. Name them clearly. Use the library to pick a software kit or synth sound and make sure your track is record-enabled. This gets you into editing and arranging without grabbing a single physical instrument. You'll now build the parts using GarageBand's tools. Drag Apple loops from the loop browser to sketch rhythm, bass, or atmospheres instantly. Once you have a groove, enable musical typing or open the piano roll to type or draw MIDI notes. That lets you compose melodies and chords without hardware. Make use of quantize to tighten timing and edit velocities to humanize performance. Once done, layer multiple software instruments and use drummer regions to add realistic. You finish by mixing. Use Smart Controls and the Smart Controls pane to sculpt each software instrument with EQ, compression, and reverb so elements sit well together. Automate volume and pan to create movement, then test playback and export using Share Export Song to disk in your desired format. If things go wrong, make sure tracks aren't muted. The output device is selected in GarageBand's preferences, and plug-in chains are enabled. If audio still fails, restart GarageBand and reload the project.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.